I think I'm fine after this.
Yeah, so get that biting point ready, foot on the gas.
This is a short clip from Brandon's 4th driving lesson. The full driving lesson video will be uploaded on Wednesday. Brandon stalls when attempting to emerge out at this junction. The vehicles behind get impatient and decide to overtake and turn right in front of us. The second vehicle that overtakes gets very close to a vehicle that is approaching on the main road.
Let's go. Okay, clutch back down, clutch down, brake, Brand, brake. Okay, clutch fully down, turn the key, the car's stalled. That's it. You just rushed off the clutch there, yeah, so wait for that car now.
That's my first stall, I think.
So see what all these people are doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, see what that is, see the risk that he took? Yeah, even slow that car down. So, any gap coming up?
On the left.
About on the right, so we need a gap from both sides now, don't we?
Yeah.
See, you know when you're turning right, it's more difficult because you need both sides to be clear for you, yeah? Whereas if we were turning to the left, it was just
There's a
this
gap
side.
after this now.
So as soon as we turn right, we're going to be turning left. Okay, so let's go. Don't rush though. Get the bite. A bit higher. Hold it. Good. Well done. And we're going to be turning left here.